Hello everyone, my name is Juan Lee, and this is my semester project, Digital Portfolio and Branding. In this project, I include my digital portfolio link, also different websites and social medias that I use to promote a positive personal and professional profile such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Handshake. It also has information about my resume and work experience. I will walk you through to each of them and explain a little bit more about them. Let's start from my digital portfolio. This is my homepage. It has little mentions of welcoming to every single person who is interested to learn a little about me. It also has a code that really represents how hard I work every single time that I want to get something. In my digital portfolio, it has another section that is about me. This one has information about, it's like a bibliography about myself. It has my current major, my experience in different jobs, my current school, my current job, and also a small information about where I was born, my parents, my education, and how I was moving from one place to another place, and also a little information about how did I pick business management as my major. It also talks a little bit about different language that I speak and a little about me. It also has include pictures about different programs that I have joined, my graduation, just a little about me. Another section is my resume. It has information, contact my LinkedIn, Facebook, Handshake, which you can click and it's gonna take you directly to my LinkedIn website or Facebook or either Handshake. It also has my email and a picture, a document, a PDF of my resume, which includes my GPA, my information, my phone number, my graduation day, and also my work experience for each job that I have done. It has small details about what I was doing in my jobs and also the time that I was spending on it. Another section is interested and extracurricular activities. For this one, I include information about school activities such as EOP program, which is a program that helps and supports students that are diverse, and then, for example, English not as a second language. Also different clubs like Institute of Women Leaderships, basically meetings with grad students and people who are already have an entry level job or internships in the real business world, and how women interact with the business and negotiation and all those kind of things. Also, for international financial business, that's projects with different students, which talks about business scandals, stock market prices, and how business develop strategies to improve their performance. I have pictures about the summer program that was mentored a year ago, pictures of presentations and different dinners that I have done for the Institution of Women Leadership. And also it has information about extra activities such as translating parents in high school, Washington DC and animation strips that I have done with high school students and college students to build more relationships, teamwork, and just classmate support. Also, soccer teams and other sport events that I've been with my school and my friends. Those are pictures with Washington DC, Cam Mason with different students, different challenges, professors, and also sport events to support our school. Another section is my academic and work experience. It has a little information about my work experience, such similar to my resume, but this is like very specific. It also talks about my academic goals and a little bit of what I have done. It shows the brand that I have worked with and a little information about what I decide to work in different fields to gain more experience. It also has a little information about long-term projects and more experience. I want to run my own business in the future. That's why I'm trying to develop different kind of skills, so I decide what kind of business I want to run. This will really promote a better and professional profile for me. It also has information about different goals that I'm about to get after college, and how working in different places can help me to gain more experience running and management a business. For this project, I decided to use 3 different websites and social medias to develop and create a really positive profile. The first one is LinkedIn. This is exclusive for professional. I try to upload more informations, academic informations, and my work experience and internships that I have, because this is very important. I also upload information about my achievements and goals and things like that, so my employers can see that what I'm looking for. Also, I like to keep looking at the website and see what internships they offer. Another website that I have is Facebook. This is very personal Facebook, but also has very information about professional. I try to keep everything nice and clear. And I had delete a lot of things that it wasn't appropriate to have in a Facebook. So any person that are aware to know a little about me, they can look it up and see that even if it's personal, I still have very adequate information about me. Another important website that I use in social media is Handshake. This one includes information about school, like the career centers, events in my school, and also jobs. I really like this website because it helps me to match my skills, what I'm looking for, to what employers are offering. It also has, I try to add courses that I have taken, so employers, if they are looking for someone with a specific skills and things like that, they can look it up. And also the jobs and events that school has, it log me in. So I am aware of what kind of events we have, such as getting interviews and events like that. This is very important because this can really help me to gain more experience with interviews, also meet more managers and people in the real world experience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it.